Welcome. In this video I will show you how to free up storage space on Black Shark Pad SE. So to manage storage, we're gonna have to open settings and scroll down a bit to storage on the sidebar. Now here we can enable the storage manager to free up storage automatically. Storage manager is basically the app that will remove unused files that we don't need. Automatically it will detect the files that we don't need and remove old photos and videos. Then we can also go directly to the file explorer and check our storage here, divided by categories, where we can delete some specific images, videos, apps, etc. simply by opening a specific category and then tapping the three dot icon next to the application that we want to delete and selecting uninstall to free up some space. Now, or we can also check the storage menu itself, where we can see the amount of gigabytes used and how many we have left, how much we have left. We can also select a specific category in here and then see the list of available applications. So some of them we can uninstall, some we do not. For example, the Chrome application cannot be uninstalled, but still we can clear the application's cache on this page, or we can clear its storage, which will also clear up some storage on our device. And lastly, I think we can use a microSD card up to 1 terabyte. All you have to do is insert it into the SD card tray, and then you'll be able to transfer your data there, therefore freeing up the internal storage of your device. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.